Hello friends, welcome to Stocks in Uptrend. I'm your friend Anil Sharma. As usual friends, today we will examine multiple opportunities of stocks and analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. We will also see technical chart patterns, strategies and some other important points. So friends, let me tell you the first stock which I am taking today is Latent View. Latent View actually is an AI company that provides solution to the various industries. Now, the basic purpose of taking Latent View was that in the uh, last closing moments of today in the market, the stock has surprisingly gone up very high, right from 450 up to 521, possibly, or I think 520 with the large volumes. There must be some news. So far, I am not able to trace the news. Anyway, I will request all of you to please check why the stock went up so high with big volumes towards the end of the day closing. Now, let me tell you, friends, that this stock today went as high as 520, whereas its 52-week high was 521. Now, the volume actually is so much. Today, I so presume that when it opens in the morning tomorrow, it will cross 52-week high and maybe have some gains also. The prices went up today with very, very strong volumes. See, for a very long time, if you really ask me, this stock actually was going, this is actually a descending triangle pattern. It gave a broke out somewhere about 425, 430. It went up, and then it was, consolidating here for some time. Finally fell. People actually were, buyers were fed up, or those buyers who have purchased on the lesser rate, they tried to sell when the stock was not going anywhere, and eventually the stock fell. And today, actually, towards the end of the day, it had a very, very strong rising trend. I hope tomorrow also it continues. Now, if we see really the indicators, RSI is absolutely, tomorrow I think that RSI is going to go up by another 5 points. And I will not be surprised that in a day or two, the MACD line also will go up. Now, under the circumstances that the MACD line so far has given any buy signal, what should we do? Friends, today, what I have done is towards the dying moments of the stock market, I just purchased 100 Latent View, and just having a sort of an understanding that if it touches all-time high 520, I will exit. Then I will take another view what will happen. But this is a purely, I will call it a momentum call and nothing else, because Q2 results of Latent View were not very encouraging. Since the volume has gone up substantially and the price actually follows the volume, so if it touches at all-time high tomorrow, I will quit just with about say 20-25 rupees in the pocket. Let us, friends, now see what are the opportunities we have with us. Now, I must tell you that this stock tomorrow, how much it will go, I do not know, but for the very simple reason is that Nifty, if you ask me, Nifty has given a piercing pattern. Now, what is a piercing pattern? This is candle number 1, which is white candle, or sometimes it is green candle. And this is candle number 2, which is a bearish candle. If you see the 50% of this white candle, it has pierced. It opened above 50% of candle 1 and closed below 50% of the closing of candle 1. Just check up this figure, right? So the piercing pattern actually is very strong. Let us see what happens to MACD and RSI. This is actually RSI. You can see the direction of RSI. I need not tell you, it is declining. It will fall. And even the MACD line which is blue line, is also falling. This line should be up always. So this is falling. So what I am trying actually to tell you, friends, here is that since it is, and I think it will take another 2-3 days time for both RSI and MACD to go up. So be very careful. And as it is on 9th and 10th of December, there is a Fed meeting in US. The job data will come. Also the interest, if there is any interest rate change, will come. And then, we have to really see what is the outcome, and that possibly we'll be able to see on 11th of December. 9th and 10th is the meeting. For us, it will be 11th of December. Till that, see, this market is going to be very dicey, and maybe that it will fall. Most likely, Nifty will fall. And if it falls below, say, 25,900, then there could be a steep fall. Or in other words, I will say, if Nifty closes below 25,900, then day after tomorrow also is likely to be a fall. But this remains to be seen. We have to respect the 25,900 somehow. So this is the condition of Nifty. Friends, before I go ahead, I must inform you that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This videos which I am uploading, they are only for the purpose of educational videos, and you must definitely consult your broker or financial advisor before taking any buying or selling decisions. Now, as far as Nifty is concerned, friends, we have seen Nifty actually is going in a bad shape, and it might fall tomorrow also. At the same time, we'll see the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty here has given a bearish Hermy pattern. I have written it, bearish Hermy pattern. Hermy pattern means what? This is the first candle. Second candle opened below the closing of previous candle and closed above the opening of previous candle. It's a fairly strong pattern. And if we see here, the MACD and RSI, both are in the declining phase, both are not supporting. So now you have understood, that Bank Nifty is not going to support maybe for another day Nifty. In that case, Nifty is also likely to fall. The level which we have to observe here is, see, the previous low here is somewhere telling about 58,600 level. So Bank Nifty has to respect 58,600 closing tomorrow. If it closes above that, then we will see what will happen to Bank Nifty on day after tomorrow. But in all probabilities, I think it is 2 days time it will take for Nifty to support effectively. So friends, if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Friends, I must tell you that 42% of the viewers are new to this channel, as I see always, but they are not subscribing. Friends, please subscribe. I must tell you that what I tell you is the most simple thing and accurate thing without using much of data, because the technical charts give you the volume of information. So that's all from me. Now we'll meet tomorrow. Let's see what happens to Nifty, Bank Nifty, and as I have said, latent view. My view is that tomorrow it should touch 521 all-time high. Fine. After that, we'll take some decision. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.